Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a media creation tool with error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, first of all, going to your in the search box and type a CMD and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space bits. After that, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc. After that, type a command is net space stop space msi server. After that, type a command is run space c column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution dot old. After that, type a command is run c column backslash windows backslash system32 backslash cat root 2 space catroot2 dot old and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits. After that, type a command is net space start space crypt svc. After that, type a command is net space start space msi server. After that, type a command is WUAUCLT.exe space slash update now and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a msconfig, open a system configuration, go to your services, click on a hide all Microsoft services, and after that click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK button. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.